Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Qgis project and selecting the layer whose attribute table you want to delete. Once done, right-click and choose Open Attribute Table so you can see fields and rows. This is essential because you need to target the right table. Make sure to toggle editing if you plan destructive changes, or duplicate the layer first to preserve data. Doing this protects you from accidental loss, while letting you proceed immediately to field and table operations. You now choose whether to remove individual fields or the entire attribute table. For columns, open Layer Properties or Field Calculator and use Delete Field. Select multiple fields to remove several at once. This keeps geometry intact. If you need to remove the entire table, export the layer without attributes. Right-click, export right arrow save features as, and uncheck fields, or simply remove the layer from the project to drop its table. Make sure to save edits and stop editing when finished so changes persist. You finish by saving edits and toggling off editing, then reopen the attribute table to verify the deletion took effect. This confirms both how and why the changes were applied. If edits fail, make sure the data source file is writable and not locked by another program, because permission issues often block saves. If something goes wrong, revert edits or restore your duplicate layer backup. That simple backup step you took earlier lets you recover immediately without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.